Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. We're in a weather alert, and while we need rain, and some locations are getting it, the problem is that it is coming down just torrential, very heavy rain. We've had some reports of some localized street flooding and some of these downpours, some thunderstorms as well. Here's the Doppler radar. And keep in mind that not all locations, you can clearly see, are not getting thunderstorms and downpours, but these areas of orange and red, 395 in Putnam, Killingly, Northeast Connecticut, Northwest Rhode Island, along the Route 95, 295 split. In fact, getting real close here. I mean, this has been some very heavy rain. The problem is that it's been moving over the same area. And while we're getting reports of some flooding in Pawtucket, I just heard that Warren Ave here in East Providence, some street flooding as these storms track north and east, but they track over the same area. So while some towns over not getting much at all, 10, 15 miles away, you're getting some very heavy downpours. Here's the wider view. This is all ahead of a cold front and some very humid air. That's why we're getting some of these downpours. But by early this evening, a lot of this will be winding down. We're looking at Providence right now where the visibility has improved just a smidge as you had a real heavy downpour not too long ago. Meanwhile, in New Bedford, what rain? It's cloudy. You actually got a break of sun in New Bedford. So these downpours and storms are very, very localized. And with these very high dew points, it's easy to create some thunder and some downpours. So even though you may not be having a downpour or a thunderstorm right now, the risk is there now through about 8 o'clock this evening as we take you into the satellite and radar composite. And we're tracking this weather disturbance in the upper part of the atmosphere right in here along with an approaching cold front, both working together to produce some of these scattered showers. But you can see behind this system how it dries out nicely. This is our weather for both Wednesday and into Thursday. When we take it in the forecast hour by hour, this is 7 o'clock in the evening, a few leftover showers and some thunderstorms. And then midnight and beyond, we're clearing. And then here we are Wednesday morning with sunshine, 7 a.m., upper 60s to around 70. Very warm, mid to upper 80s with sunshine by mid-afternoon on Wednesday. And then here we are Wednesday evening, clear skies, mild and dry. We're actually sending out reporters to Pawtucket right now. We're going to have a story on that, on some of the flooding there, localized. That's on 12 News. It all starts at 4. But wrapping it up, occasional downpours, occasional strong thunderstorms, and in some cases, some localized street flooding. We'll keep you updated. That's the latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in.